Day 7 Active Recovery. Hey, GlowFit family. Welcome to Day 7 of our challenge. Today, we're taking a moment to slow down and let our bodies recover with some active recovery stretches. These movements will help you release tension, improve flexibility, and recharge for the days ahead. To get the best results, place your device laptop, mobile, or tablet in front of you and follow along with us. This way, you can stay engaged, perform each move correctly. Complete your 30-day bodyweight challenge with confidence. Stay consistent, push yourself, and remember, watch this video till the end and repeat it as many times as needed to memorize the movements. So, roll out your mat, find a comfortable space, and let's get started. Exercise 1, Forward Fold. Let's begin with a forward fold. Stand tall, hinge at your hips, and gently reach your hands toward the floor. If you can't touch the ground, that's okay. Just go as far as you can while feeling the stretch in your hamstrings and lower back. Tip: don't lock your knees, keep a slight bend to protect your joints and deepen the stretch. Do this exercise for 20 seconds. Rest 10 seconds. Exercise 2, Triceps Stretch. Now, let's stretch those triceps. Raise one arm overhead, bend the elbow, and use your opposite hand to gently press your elbow back. You should feel a nice stretch along the back of your arm. Tip: keep your head neutral and avoid pushing too hard. This is about a gentle stretch, not strain. Do this exercise for 30 seconds. Rest 15 seconds. Exercise 3, Standing Quad Stretch. Next up is the Standing Quad Stretch. Stand tall, grab one ankle behind you, and gently pull it toward your glutes. Hold on to a wall or chair if you need extra balance. Tip: keep your knees close together to target the quads effectively and focus on standing tall. Do this exercise for 30 seconds. Rest 10 seconds. Exercise 4, Lunging Hip Flexor Stretch. Step into a lunge position, keeping your front knee at 90 degrees. Sink your hips forward and feel the stretch in your hip flexor. Hold for 15 seconds on each side. Tip: keep your back straight and your core engaged to avoid leaning too far forward. Do this exercise for 30 seconds. Rest 15 seconds. Exercise 5, Frog Stretch. For the frog stretch, come onto all fours, spread your knees apart, and gently push your hips back. You'll feel this deep in your inner thighs. Tip: move slowly into the stretch and avoid any jerky movements to prevent strain. Do this exercise for 30 seconds. Rest 10 seconds. Exercise 6, Child's Pose. Now, relax into Child's Pose. Sit back on your heels and stretch your arms forward, resting your forehead on the mat. Breathe deeply. Tip: focus on slow, steady breathing to fully relax your back and hips. Do this exercise for 30 seconds. Rest 15 seconds. Exercise 7, Cobra Pose. Lie on your stomach. Place your hands under your shoulders and gently lift your chest into Cobra Pose. Keep your elbows slightly bent. Tip: don't overextend your back. Only lift as far as feels comfortable. Do this exercise for 30 seconds. Rest 10 seconds. Exercise 8, Jumping Jacks. Now, let's get the blood flowing with some jumping jacks. Keep your movements light and controlled. Tip: land softly on your feet to protect your knees and keep your core engaged. Do this exercise for 30 seconds. Rest 15 seconds. Exercise 9, Bridge. Lie on your back, plant your feet, and lift your hips into a bridge position. Squeeze your glutes at the top for maximum effect. Tip: keep your feet hip-width apart and press firmly into the ground for stability. Do this exercise for 30 seconds. Rest 10 seconds. Exercise 10, High Plank. Hold a high plank position, keeping your body in a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core and avoid sagging your hips. Tip: if holding for 60 seconds feels tough, drop to your knees for a modified plank and keep pushing. Do this exercise for 60 seconds. Rest 15 seconds. Exercise 11, Cat-Cow Pose. End with Cat-Cow Pose. On all fours, alternate between arching your back upward and dipping it downward. This helps release tension in your spine. Tip: move slowly with your breath. Inhale as you arch and exhale as you dip. Do this exercise for 30 seconds. Rest 10 seconds. Great job today, Glow Fit family. Active recovery is essential to keep you feeling your best and ready for the next challenge. Don't forget to stay hydrated and give your body the care it deserves. See you tomorrow for day 8.